Hey friends, this is Ifa and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my 2021 bullet journals. I used two notebooks last year. The first one is from Made with Love BD and it's slightly larger than A5 but smaller than B5. If you have seen my 2022 yearly setup, you have seen these spreads. I kept my yearly theme very minimal and I used only black for the setup. I guess this theme was very easy to make, but it looks very gathering in the last few pages where I used floral stamps. This memory page is empty and I know I won't fill this anymore. In 2022 setup, I made this again because I hope that I have something to fill this up this year. I started this notebook from November 2020, so I'm skipping these last months of 2020 and moving on to my January spreads. I made this simple line art floral theme with geometric shapes. It was very minimal and I enjoyed it. Oh, this spread is for my friends on Instagram. I reached 10k at the beginning of January. For February, I made an original theme with alphabets of different languages. The scheme looks very nice and it was inspired by International Model Language Day. I tried some new layers for these weeklies here. You might see in many weeklies and spreads are empty in the last 10 days because every month without weeklies, I barely filled up any monthly spread, whether it's for the business or I don't feel motivated using the theme. My March theme was inspired by a photo shoot from Kim Tae-young. He wore a red suit and his t-shirt was filled up with cursive handwritings. Also at the time he used some vintage cameras, so I came up with this theme. But I didn't enjoy it at all. I would give it the title of my least favorite theme from 2021. But some of the layers are my favorite. One of them is the mood tracker. I used rolling weeklies that month and some were structured too. This notebook wasn't filled up, but I moved into another notebook. This notebook is very good and I had much room from A5. As I always prefer a book binder notebook for my bujo, I didn't enjoy this ring binder. That's all. And the next notebook I bought from a local online shop. They sometimes bring these notebooks from China. I guess it's from the brand Labon. This one is very cheap and has 100 GSM ivory color paper. There's no place to write my name in this notebook, so I wrote on the first page as it barely opens. Then I have my yearly log. I tried out the loose grid spacing cheat sheet for the first time and I absolutely love it. Thanks to Laura, it was very helpful. This game is very cute and I love the abstract elements too. I left some spaces to scribble my extra thoughts and planning after my yearly log. Then comes my April setup, which is inspired by my own design washi tapes for the washi tape shop. I collaborated with them and made Onkon washi tape set, which was a new experience for me. I made some spread like meal planning and one word a day. I didn't enjoy this spread, so I never made this again. For quick weekly layouts, I used washi tapes and I love the simplicity of these spreads. My May theme is another way to use my washi tapes. I drew utensils to use the specific washi tapes as it goes with the utensil designs. I used them as stickers. It's very colorful. Usually I don't like too much colors, but I kinda like it. Somehow it looks nice. From this part you'll see I left a space for my cover pages. There's two reasons behind it. I thought I might need some spaces for rough project planning and also I didn't want to use pages that has faults in it. Like this notebook pages helps to bleed the inks a lot. My theme for June is nautical theme. I couldn't find much variation of doodles for it. It was the same kind of doodles everywhere in Google. I like the summer vibe, and this has very pretty scheme, I must say. From these 6 themes, it was my favorite, but later it also changed multiple times, but I enjoyed this a lot. My July theme is very minimal and kinda have the vintage vibe in it. I use washi tapes, drew butterflies and minimum florals or leaves for decorating it. I absolutely love how this theme turned out. I must say, I use it until the end, and the theme can change my mind to use my bujo. Then I made a one-line art or monoline art theme. I practiced 3 or 4 times to figure out how should I make my own illustration. I added ladybugs here as well. This theme also made me to use my bujo fully. The colors are very pretty and nice, and I use washi tapes from the washi tape shop here too. Don't forget to use my affiliate code TRITOBUS10 to get 10% off from the washi tape shop. In September, I really didn't have much time to think and make themes for my internship, aka job, so I only drew some illustrations in my cover and weeklies. I used washi tapes from Notebook Therapy to save my time, and you can also use my affiliate code TRITOBUS10 for 10% off from their shop as well. This is my favorite theme, I must say, which is autumnal forest. October used to be my favorite month once upon a time, but global warming made it very warm here. Anyways, I used watercolors again into this notebook, and it was very chunky and warped. My November spread is butterfly crafty theme featuring Notebook Therapy washi tapes and stamps. I don't own much craft materials or ephemera, but I always collect different kind of papers for crafting, so I used these papers and tracing paper as well. It took much time to decorate the collages rather than painting or drawing. These are some swatches from Notebook Therapy's Dreams of Snow washi tape collection. And in December, I made 2 themes. At first, I tried out this one, and I absolutely hated after making 5 spreads. Then I took some time and made something much simpler, illustrations, being consistent on this same theme, which is winter camping. I wasn't much creative with this theme though, but I enjoyed the tabs for the weeklies a lot. In 2021, I used many kind of spreads and layouts. From January to December, I can see the changes and improvements of me, my skills, and my contents as well. I hope you guys found this video inspirational and got some new theme ideas. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.